Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. And this video is not just an average video, because this video is gonna go freaking hard, guys. I have a bunch of stuff to open up over here today. It is a mail time episode, so we got sneakers, a bunch of sneakers in here actually, and some very crazy like Hypebeast clothing and stuff up here, which is gonna be cool for the unboxing. But what's even better is that there's gonna be some crazy giveaway announcements in this one. Like, it might actually be the biggest giveaway I've ever done in my life, because one of the shoes in here is not from me. A company actually sent this over. I saw it in my DMs, unfortunately. I really wish I didn't, so then it didn't ruin the surprise, but I know the surprise. You guys don't know the surprise. It's gonna be crazy, so just make sure you guys stay tuned to the end, because there's gonna be a huge giveaway announcement, unlike anything this channel's ever seen before. I can't stress that enough, guys. Like, I'm really excited, as you guys can tell, because this shoe's not for me. I really wish it was, but it's for one of you guys. And in some ways, that's even better. I have enough shoes already. Why not bless somebody else? So we'll save this box for last, but let's check out some of the other stuff that we got in this unboxing, man. This right here is actually a collaboration Hypebeast drop. Okay, so we have two pieces over here, but both of these things are actually from Montclair. I don't know if you guys can see that. I know my camera's kind of bright sometimes. So yeah, I copped this from Montclair, and you guys gotta see this collaboration. It's insane. You guys ready to see the collaboration, man? Because this right here is a collaboration between Montclair and also Pokemon and Fragment, guys. Let me try to turn down the lighting actually a little bit right now, just so you can see this white a little bit better. If you guys can check that out, there is Mew on the shirt right over here, and it says Montclair/Fragment. It's a collaboration, like I said. On the back, it shows over here, Thunderbolt Project by Montclair/Fragment and Pokemon. So really just a huge collaboration, man. And I don't know if you guys know, but like Thunderbolt Project, they've had collaborations and stuff before, and most of the time, all of their stuff that they make resells, which is insane. So there is resale value on this stuff, but for me, I don't want to resell it, man. This is just super sick. The other shirt actually in here is even better, though. You guys gotta check this one. I'm just ripping this open like a savage, dude. This is not good. Oh man, this is a patch too. This is so sick. Holy F. This one is beautiful. This one is just super sick. It has like that spray painted like vibe going on. Montclair logo over here, Fragment logo over here. You guys know what Fragment is, man. One of the craziest Jordan ones, right? So collaboration with Fragment and Montclair. This one is not a Pokemon collaboration, so the shirt is literally just this, but I mean, man, you guys know that goes hard. That's super sick. So you guys will see me wear this on a lot of upcoming videos, actually. And really quick, shout out to Ala Moana Montclair. If you guys are ever in Hawaii, you guys definitely got to hit up Montclair and Ala Moana, guys. The people over there were super nice and very helpful in like figuring out like the sizing and stuff for all of this, because sizing is a little bit different because it is like a high-end fashion brand. And obviously for me, you guys know I'm not really like big on that stuff, so I really had no idea how sizes and stuff go, but thankfully the staff over there helped me out a lot, so I was able to order like my perfect sizes and stuff. So yeah, shout out to those guys over there. And before I forget, let me turn back up this lighting, guys. Boom. This room is kind of dark, not gonna lie. That's why if you guys ever see like a white balance like in correction and stuff, this is the reason why. I can't really have like more lighting in this room because there's just not anywhere else to put it, man. So yeah, bear with me on that. Anyway, let's check out the shoes that we got today, guys. So I will open this double box over here first and show you guys what we got in here. This is so sick. Okay, so there's a little note in here too, man. Sup fam, sorry for my 6-year-old handwriting and spelling. Can I show this to you guys, his handwriting and spelling? It's gonna get so mad. I'm gonna show you guys. Again, I kind of had the feeling that I knew this was coming, like there was at least a note or something in here, because I did read my DMs, which I wish I didn't. But yeah, sorry. I don't know if you guys can check that. I know I might be a little bit bright still. Shout out to Scotty though. I want to show you guys his nice 6-year-old handwriting, as he says in here. Not gonna lie, Scott, my handwriting is probably like a 4-year-old or 3-year-old, so trust me, this is probably better than mine. But he says, thank you and all your viewers for your support with @SoulSteals over the years. Scotty is the owner of SoulSteals, if you guys didn't know. I always hype up SoulSteals because it is one of the best sites like ever to get like discounted shoes, so highly recommend it, guys. And just to let you guys know, I've never been sponsored by SoulSteals. I've never been paid or anything from SoulSteals. It is all love with those guys. I just really want people to cop shoes for like discounts, so that is a heads up to you. I'm not sponsored. But he says, I've sent you an extra pair of Royal Toes with the pair you purchased to give away on your channel, and he says I can swap the size out if needed. Love you guys, Scotty from SoulSteals. This guy is so freaking legit, man. I love Scotty so much. He always does like the super nice stuff, and even on like SoulSteals website and stuff, they have like all of these free raffles and stuff going on all the time, and I just really like appreciate that, you know, like he's not like a money hungry guy. He's literally trying to give back to the community as much as he can, and I just think that's a really good thing. So what happened was I actually copped a pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toes. He kind of ruined the unboxing for me, but It's okay. I copped a pair of Royal Toes on Soul Steals though. Paid my own money, like I said, for it. Because I haven't copped anything from Soul Steals in a little while now, and I wanted to see like how the drops have been going. And just because I wanted another pair of Royal Toes, and the prices over there were like ridiculous. I think I got this pair for like 240 bucks, so very, very good price. But the drop itself on Soul Steals was very easy, man. Like, I know a lot of people like get frustrated because they're like, I can't get hype shoes and stuff on Soul Steals, it's all a scam, yada yada yada. But for me, I literally went in, no bot or anything, because I don't know how to use bots. I went in with no bot, went in right at the drop time, went to go search up Royal Toe, and I got in and got out with like no like effort at all. It wasn't very hard at all. I think the issue that people have if you're on Soul Steals, as a heads up, like, don't try to go for like the most hyped item. Like, you're probably going to be competing against like 50 to 100 or maybe even like 1,000 other people trying to go for the biggest item, and what are your chances at that point, right? It's very, very hard. So this one, I mean, it was hyped for like 240 bucks. This is a really good price, but I knew that there was a good amount of stock. He said he had like, I don't know, like a couple dozen pairs or something of this, so I knew that my chances were pretty good. Went in and yeah, there was no effort at all. So got a pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toes over here. Definitely one you guys want to cop if you guys can now, which is why actually I picked up a pair myself, because I was like, you know, just keep it on ice if anything too, and I can sell it down the road. But this is a personal pair for myself. But like Scott said in his message, he actually sent over another pair over here, so this will be a free giveaway pair for one of you guys. So if you guys don't have a pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toes yet, you guys are in luck, because there is another pair right here, fresh and dead stock. And this one is a size 11, but Scott was nice enough to say whoever wins, man, if they want to trade in their size 11 for like a size 8 or whatever, they can go ahead and do that, because I mean, it's Scott, like I told you, Soul Steals is legit. So he's willing to do that for you guys. So for this pair right here, man, super easy. It's going to be a free giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me at Untied Hawaii on Instagram, and also follow the homies at Soul Steals on Instagram too. You guys got to do both of that, because if you guys aren't following those accounts and your name is drawn, you unfortunately will not be able to win. So make sure you guys are following both of those accounts. Number 3, like this video, and number 4, make sure you guys comment down below just something nice, I guess, if Soul Steals, I don't know, just give a little thank you to them, man. Some kind of little shout out over there for Soul Steals. And also don't forget to include your Instagram handle so we know where to contact you if you guys are randomly selected as a winner. All of the links to the Instagram and stuff will be in the description below, so make sure you guys go read those directions down there. Man, super sick. I got a pair for myself, and the Ohana is getting blessed with a pair as well. And the giveaways are not done yet, man, because this is actually a double giveaway video. So make sure you guys sit tight, because there's one more shoe to open, and that is a very, very insane pair. Because this shoe right here, guys, is a banger. It's actually a shoe I do not own in my collection. Who loves Nike SBs? Assuming all of you guys just raise your hand, because who doesn't love Nike SBs nowadays, right? SBs are coming back in full force, and man, I gotta tell you guys, I need this pair, but unfortunately, this pair is not for me. It's going out to one of you guys, because I actually read on my DMs, like I told you guys, I've ruined the surprise for myself. Scott actually reached out on my DMs over here and he said, hey Bryson, talked about the Royal Toes and stuff. So he said, I know a lot of your followers are still members, so I say we give these away to one of your followers who are a member with us. Shoot me an email, let's make someone's day. I blurred out the picture on the screen over here so I don't ruin the surprise, but I'm super excited because if you guys have a Soul Steals account and you guys are a member, this giveaway is gonna be like ridiculous, because this pair right here is a pair. You guys saw me over there. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know this paper was like this. But that kind of gives away the shoe, because this is the pair we are giving away, guys. A pair of Travis Scott SB Dunk Lows. This is crazy, and I'm super jealous. I wish I could win this thing myself, because I don't have a pair of these yet. And it's crazy because one of you guys are actually gonna get this. So this is insane. And I gotta show you guys under the camera what this looks like, because the details on this are ridiculous. I've never seen this in person yet, and man, I am really, really impressed. Check this out under the camera, guys. Nike SB Travis Scott Dunk Low, and as you guys can tell, this thing is freaking beautiful. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this already, but man, for me, this is my first time just basking in how crazy this thing is, and I really appreciate the details on this. It's got that bandana kind of vibe going throughout the shoe, a whole bunch of different materials on all the panels, and these rope laces are just super dope in my opinion. I think this is the best part of the shoe, makes it very unique, and yeah, the details just go super hard. Something I need in my collection, but unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pay resale, but not unfortunately, one of you guys are gonna get this for free. The way that Scott says that he's gonna give these out though is that it will be through a members raffles giveaway. So if you guys already have a Soul Steals account, then congratulations, you guys are pretty much already entered. All you have to do is go to the link in the description below, click on that link, and it will take you to the giveaway page where you just fill out quick information or whatever to enter the giveaway, and you guys are entered to win this for free. But if you guys aren't a member yet, you guys can still enter. Basically just hit that link in the description below and sign up for a membership over there, and you guys can be entered for this raffle. And what I think the best part about this raffle is that it's only for Untied Hawaii members. So nobody else has this link. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are supporters of the channel. And as a thank you, you guys get the link to try to enter this giveaway for Soul Steals. So that's why it's super sick. It's going to be very limited. Like, you figure like there's not too many people that are members, I'm assuming, like whatever the view count is on this video, like I'm guessing less than 1% of them are like Soul Steals members. So their chances are very, very good. Whereas like if you're trying to enter like an Instagram giveaway for this stuff, you're going up against like hundreds of thousands of people. Like for this, you're probably only going up against maybe like just a couple dozen. Yo, Scott. Hey, man, sorry. I'm calling you right now because I'm actually filming the video right now. If people want to enter to become a member, is there like a minimum like membership that they need to buy to get like entered? Or can they just buy like a day pass or whatever to enter? Really? That's awesome. Okay, so it just, there's no, whatever pass they want to buy, that's a free entry for them. That's so sick, dude. Okay, I'm finishing up the video right now, but yeah, I just wanted to get that clarified. Okay, sounds good. You take care. Okay, bye. All right, so like Scott said, man, you guys can buy like a day pass even. So even if you guys don't want to be members long term and you just want to enter this raffle, go ahead and do that, man. Somebody's gonna win like basically a $2,000 pair of shoes for free, and all because you guys watch this Untied Hawaii channel. So thank you to you guys for supporting me. Thank you to you guys for supporting Soul Steals, my homies over there. You guys know I buy boxes from them and stuff all the time, and just I think it's cool that they kind of like recognize like the Untied Hawaii family, the Ohana and stuff, you know, is like special, and there's something going on in this channel that's different from like anywhere else on YouTube. So I just really think it's a beautiful thing, and that's why I'm so excited and so happy to present this giveaway to you guys. So enter both of those giveaways. Again, the Royal Toe one is free for everybody. You guys don't need to be a member of Soul Steals. It's free to everybody. Just make sure you guys follow the instructions in the description below. But for the Travis Scott raffle, if you guys are members, or even if you guys want to be like short-term members, feel free to enter that one as well, because this one will be a banger. And like I said, there won't be too many people in this one. So make sure you guys enter, because you guys' chances are very, very good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!